Run up on the men's and knock it. Run up on the men's and knock it. Run up on the men's.
Right there when you need it.
But I changed the game for you.
You say, last night after you go away, Lincoln turned the phone for moms. Well, Lincoln turned the phone for moms. Moms, you want Rasclad song? And moms just ask the people.
She say she eat a bag of food and pussy no fit up so. A pussy independent, she no cough it up so. She no use no toilet paper and go buff it up so. And she run the
Brit, me, I give you. What time now? 1 more minute.
Side.
Oh, you're there on your way and go.
Me dey try behave myself in a world, dog. Me dey try behave myself, but you come with one whole heap of excitement.
You shame me, Brit.
Y'all nice and comfortable. Watch her.
You know what I say, Brit? So you have to bounce. I said, do what you gotta do, nigga. You have to bounce. I said, what you want? Let me know. So it's a dark up a place. That's my boy. That's my boy.
Come on, guys.
Me and my friend attack. Why you not shut up? Bumbo clot.
Watch, listen, and observe.
Help me now, guys. Help me.
And you go tell him, and you go stop him in a midway argument and going and mix up. Me never help you stop him one talk.
Nobody not help me.
You love jumping a family affair too, no?
A styling thing that.
I don't want to pressure you, but talk about that.
Oh, if the husband, mama gone on date, give man the phone for answer. You tell mama go home, mama dance out herself and go home. Me don't know what go on.
I don't really see which part me do wrong there, so. Because if a man now move right, me have to cut him off.
Personally, me not see the big deal.
It's not like I didn't tell World Dog what happened.
I bring it to me, get clean up.
Not everybody come in their life and stay till you're 60-year-old.
Me
Brit sneaking well down.
They can't say them somebody.
I specifically told World Dog I went to Lincoln Tree that, but after I realized he don't want me, I came back to him.
The two of them love them each other now.
Make me uncomfortable.
Nobody never asked that, Raja. Me want to tell you. The man I say, yo, cause you not cheat, alright. And me a cheat, good. When the man talk, say like a little idiot. Can't bother with them.
Sissy, I brought them sick.
Sissy. Me could discuss us now, since World Dog out of the picture.
I really feel like we make a good match. What do you think?
You don't make no sense to me.
Me don't feel so.
Listen to me, I'm telling you something, man.
Cause it clear say you don't want me.
You have to make Brit choose.
Okay.
I choose you, World Dog.
Jesus Christ.
Bumbo clot.
Anything you do, old legacy. You choose me, baby.
Yes.
Choose that too. No, this not serious.
You know, she said the boy a yamed.
My father, you're not your mate, so I have to call you. No. Me and your Bonnie and Clyde! Why? That's why I tell them so me not get involved in a man and woman affair. Lincoln, you lose, man. Lincoln, you lose.
Girl, you my love, no other cat me no prefer. Tell her me no go leave and she said great man, but
I gotta subscribe.
run up on the men's and knock it. Run up on the men's and knock it.
Explain that for me.